Hi there and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how you can sing more smoothly. Now before we do, remember to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you get all of my future videos, and if you've just joined us, welcome. Thank you to everyone who's already subscribed. I remember when I had just 96 subscribers, so this has been a really enjoyable journey, and we're heading for 1,000. That's my goal in the next few weeks. So thank you to everyone who's subscribed. Now, before I forget, if you are serious about taking your singing to the next level, then go to the pinned comment or the description and click on the link to my free 5-day singing course. All you need to do is pop your details in. I'm going to send that directly to your inbox. So, smooth singing. Singing smoothly involves a combination of a few things: good breath control, good vocal control which comes via good breath control, and accuracy which also comes through via good breath control, and also the ability to place your voice in the right area. It might take you a few weeks, but you will get there. So have patience, be kind to yourself, take regular breaks, and just keep checking your progress every few days. I recommend that you record yourself. I know some people, you don't like to hear your voices back, but that's what's going to make you a better singer, a more accurate singer, a more effective singer, and you're going to understand your voice a lot more when you listen to your voice back, and especially if you watch yourself singing. Okay, so let's dive in. The exercise we're going to do is this pattern. And we're going to sing to ooh, and it's not jumps, it's slides. So it's not ooh, ooh, ooh. The main reason being that when you jump, you lose the accuracy and you lose the control. So we want to have the control and then we can do jumps. So we're going to slide. So we want to hit all of the notes in between each interval. And what I would like you to do, so that you're not worrying about where to place your voice, I'm going to tell you right now, aim for this area here. So then you're not going to be straining your voice. We're not worrying about head voice. We're definitely not twanging or belting, and we're not worrying about singing from our diaphragm, okay? Don't think about that stuff. Just focus on the sound coming through here. Use an ooh and smooth singing. So the breath control will come as you practice the exercise. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and keep going. And back down. Last one. Well, I hope that this has helped you. If you do this every day, incorporate it into your routine, you're going to find in a couple of weeks that your singing is going to be much smoother. Now, if you haven't already, do remember to hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button as well, because that pushes this video out to more singers. So we want to get more singers in the community. And let me know in the comments what you've liked most about this video, how much it's helping you, and whether you're putting it into your routine. I love hearing from you guys, and I do respond to all of the comments. I'll see you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!